Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. It's a Diwali week. Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. So this is my second video. If you have watched my first video, I have shared with you all that I will be posting few videos every 2 to 3 days regarding my journey of this next year NEET PG preparation. And we will not only talk about the preparation phase, but also apart from the preparation, what things need to be kept in mind and how to keep yourself calm if you are also going through something different or you are struggling with something. You can share on in the comments so that we could reach each other and be with each other throughout this phase. So, in my last video, I have shared about that I have taken the BTR plan. So, few days ago, I have received my BTR notes. It was my birthday week, so I received one day before my birthday. So, I have started watching Zainab ma'am's BTR videos, her live TNDs. I already attended some TNDs before I received the notes, especially for the small subject. I watched those TNDs, but after the notes, I watched videos of pediatric and biochem. Though I have already watched those videos last year, and I don't remember that how many times I have revised those notes during my last year prep because I literally have everything, not everything, but still few things in mind. I can uh, I can recall that yes, I read this literally for more than 4 to 5 times, but still I messed up in the exam. So it's okay. There is no use of digging the same thing again and again. So yes, I have finished pediatric and biochem once. So I have just went through the videos. I watched the TNDs and I added some points to the BTR notes. So right now, due to Diwali, I was not able to do much, but I will be doing the minor subject in this 1 2 days. Then my more focus will be on the major subject, and I still have my like I have the narrow revision notes, rapid revision. So while doing the BTR, I will go through the Marrow RR notes also, and I will add some point in the BTR if it is not there. But I am thinking not to do this at this time because first thing is I want to master the BTR point to point that not any question from the BTR should go wrong. So my more focus will be on that point, and so yes, that's it. That's what I am doing right now. And as I said that every after every 2 to 3 days I will be sharing the videos. So my next video will come in 3 days. I want to share some more things. So I will share it. I will share it in my next video. Till then, bye. Happy Diwali. Thanks for watching.